Reliance aims to dominate the EV sector and your household. Battery swap. Reliance Industries, one of India's largest conglomerates led by Mukesh Ambani, has unveiled a groundbreaking innovation aimed at accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles, EVs, in the country. This revolutionary technology involves removable and swappable batteries for EVs, capable of serving a dual purpose as a power source for household appliances. The company showcased this innovation at a renewable energy exhibition in Greater Noida, India, signaling its commitment to green initiatives and reducing carbon emissions. In this video, we shall analyze the significance, historical context, technical details, and future implications of Reliance Industries' innovative swappable battery technology. Hi friend! Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 92% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on the ambitious plans of Reliance to dominate the EV sector. Now let us dive into the analysis of the subject matter. Historical context. India's journey towards promoting electric vehicles is rooted in its commitment to reduce carbon emissions and combat environmental pollution. The Indian government has been actively encouraging the use of EVs through various incentives and policy initiatives. However, two major challenges have hindered the widespread adoption of EVs in India: the high cost of imported batteries and inadequate charging infrastructure. The cost of imported batteries. India relies heavily on imported batteries, which significantly drive up the overall cost of EVs. This makes electric vehicles less affordable for the average Indian consumer, limiting their adoption. Insufficient charging infrastructure. The availability of charging infrastructure, especially in non-metro areas, remains a significant hurdle. Range anxiety and the inconvenience of finding charging stations deter potential EV buyers. Reliance Industries' swappable battery technology. Reliance Industries' innovative swappable battery technology presents a multifaceted solution to these challenges. The key features and technical details of this technology are as follows. 1. Removable and swappable batteries. Reliance's swappable batteries can be easily removed from an electric vehicle and replaced with a fully charged battery. This feature addresses the problem of limited charging infrastructure by allowing consumers to swap batteries at designated stations. 2. Dual-purpose batteries. The swappable batteries also double as a power source for household appliances via an inverter. This not only adds value for consumers but also promotes energy efficiency and reduces electricity bills. 3. Charging options. Customers have the flexibility to either swap their batteries at designated stations or recharge them at home using rooftop solar panels. This two-pronged approach enhances convenience and accessibility. Reliance's $10 billion Green Initiative. This battery innovation is an integral part of Reliance's ambitious $10 billion Green Initiative, which signifies the company's commitment to transitioning from its traditional oil to chemical business to a more sustainable and environmentally responsible approach. Reliance aims to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2035, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Future implications. 1. Boosting EV adoption. Reliance Industries' swappable battery technology has the potential to revolutionize the Indian EV market. By offering an affordable, convenient, and sustainable solution, it can significantly boost the adoption of electric vehicles among Indian consumers. 2. Reduced carbon emissions. As more EVs replace traditional fossil fuel vehicles, carbon emissions in India will decrease, contributing to the country's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. 3. Local battery manufacturing. Reliance's plans to set up a 5 gigawatt-hours (GWH) battery manufacturing facility under India's $2.4 billion scheme will enhance local battery cell production. This move aligns with the government's initiative to reduce dependency on imports and promote domestic manufacturing. 4. Energy independence. The ability to recharge swappable batteries using rooftop solar panels not only reduces electricity costs but also promotes energy independence. This aligns with India's renewable energy goals and contributes to reducing the strain on the national power grid. Conclusion. Reliance Industries' innovative swappable battery technology represents a significant milestone in the promotion of electric vehicles in India. By addressing the challenges of high battery costs and limited charging infrastructure, this innovation paves the way for a more sustainable and eco-friendly transportation system. Reliance's commitment to green initiatives, including net zero carbon emissions, and its investment in local battery manufacturing underscore its dedication to driving India's EV revolution. As India strives to reduce its carbon footprint and promote renewable energy, this technology could play a pivotal role in shaping the future of transportation in the country. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media networks so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos.